Hello, friends. Welcome back to Target. This is Tuesday. I'm reading about pumpkins still. In addition to my pencil, today I need my pink crayon. So go and find your pink. Okay, let's read this together. And today we're going to try to figure out what's the structure. How did the author organize this writing? Did they organize it as a cause and effect, since this is nonfiction, or um, as a description of something, or a problem and solution? Let's see. Let's read. Ready? Since it's Tuesday, I'm reading out loud and you are whisper reading. How to grow your own pumpkins. Read to learn how one can grow pumpkins. It is easy to grow a pumpkin. First, make sure the soil is warm. This will most likely be in the late spring. Plant your pumpkin seeds about 1 inch deep. Then water your seeds. Soon a small green stem will grow out of the soil. 1. Check for weeds every day. 2. Water every day or two. 3. Take all but one of the pumpkins off the vine so that it can get all the food. 4. Let the pumpkin grow for 3 to 4 months. Harvest or pick your pumpkins from the leaf-filled vine when the pumpkins are orange and the size you want. This will be in the fall. You can then carve your pumpkin, or your mom can make a pumpkin pie. Have fun with your very own pumpkins. Okay, are we describing something? I mean, we're telling how to make pumpkins, but that's not describing the pumpkins. So it's not a description organization. Sequences tell me the order of events. It does tell me, well, kind of. First, make sure the soil is warm. Then plant your seeds. Then water your seeds. Then a stem will grow. Then check for weeds. Then water. Then take all but one of the pumpkins off the vine. Then let it grow. Okay, so maybe sequence. Compare and contrast. Are we telling how two things are the same and how they're different? No, this whole thing is about growing a pumpkin. Problem and solution. Does this tell us how to solve a problem? I mean, maybe if your problem is how do I grow I don't know how to grow a pumpkin, but it doesn't really say that that's a problem someone had. All right, cause and effect. Does it tell me why something happened? I mean, kind of it tells me why I would get big pumpkins, but it doesn't really tell me, hey, because of this, this happened. Or as a result of this, this happened. Or consequently, this happened. So the best way to describe this text structure, remember with nonfiction, we're going to go down here to the bottom where text structure is sequence. First one thing, then another, then another, then another, then another. That's all the annotating we're doing for Tuesday. Too easy this week, right? Okay, let's look at our question for the day. Okay, Tuesday's question says, what is the most likely reason the author put the list of things to do on a chart? What is the most likely reason the author put the list of things to do on a chart? This is a brain question. Think about it and see if you can come up with a reason or two, and write your reason down and pause and do that now. And when you come back, I'll tell you my reasons. Okay, you could take your pink and just kind of outline this box because it does have to do with the list um, for Tuesday, and we're going to draw a box in pink around Tuesday, but we're also going to put a B over here since this is a brain question. We mainly had to use our brain to figure this out. So the reason you would use a list is because it makes it easy to see or to check off things as you do them. Like 1, check, 2, check, 3, check, 4, check. So if you put either of those, great job. I'm going to put both of those. It makes it easy to see and to check off. Um, check off each item. You could even keep adding as you do them. Okay, great job today, friends. Thank you for your brains. See you tomorrow.